Choosing the right colors can make you look radiant and youthful, but the wrong ones? They can add years to your appearance. As we age, a few things become essential to take care of. One of these is choosing the right colors and avoiding those that don't flatter aging skin. If you're over 50, avoid these 10 unflattering shades that might be dulling your glow. Number 10. Neon shades. The extremely sharp and bright tones of neon shades make the skin look dull and overwhelming. Shades like fiery red, solar yellow, bright pink, electric green, and fluorescent blue highlight wrinkles and dark spots and make the skin look dull and dark. These bold shades have incredibly high contrast, making you look less and even worse. Our skin naturally loses some of its vibrancy and elasticity as we age, and neon hues can make this more noticeable by creating a stark contrast against the complexion. Our preference should be for colors that complement our look, enhance our facial features, and make our skin look younger, glowy, and less uneven. Besides the skin, the intensity of neon shades can also clash with silver or graying hair, creating an unbalanced look. Instead of neon tones, opt for more prosperous, sophisticated hues like jewel tones, emerald green, sapphire blue, ruby red, or warm pastels like peach, dusty rose, or lavender. These colors add warmth and enhance natural skin tones without being too harsh. But that doesn't mean you can't enjoy bold colors. Consider soft, muted versions of your favorite bold shades if you like bright colors. For example, instead of yellow highlighter, try golden mustard. Instead of neon pink, opt for a deep coral. These adjustments will keep your style vibrant while maintaining a flattering, elegant appearance. Number 9. Lemon yellow. Another color resembling neon tones, lemon yellow, is not a good choice for people in their 50s. It has similar cons to neon shades. As skin matures, it can lose some of its natural warmth and develop cooler undertones. Lemon yellow is a stark, cool shade that can make the skin appear pale, ashy, or shallow rather than vibrant. Lemon yellow is a high-contrast shade with a sharp undertone and saturated hues. This shade looks excessively vibrant on the body, making your face look washed out and dull. Instead of softening facial features, lemon yellow can accentuate them, making the skin look more creased. It also highlights the fine lines and uneven skin tones, making you look above your age while the goal is to look younger and fresher. Moreover, the stark brightness of lemon yellow can highlight shadows under the eyes, making dark circles more prominent. If you love yellows in such tones, try a warm golden mustard or chic butter yellow instead. Also, avoid using such colors too much in your wardrobe. I suggest avoiding monochrome looks with shades like these, which can ruin your look. Instead, you can try one piece in this color while keeping the other clothing pieces in ultra-rich colors to blend the look elegantly. Number 8. Sharp whites. Though whites are the most sophisticated and chic shades to be styled for women over 50, the pure and sharp white shade can also be a nightmare. Bright, stark white can be harsh on mature skin, often accentuating rather than softening signs of aging. The reason is that pure white shade is highly reflective, which means it catches and highlights every crease, wrinkle, and irregular skin texture, making them appear more pronounced and tired. Bright white also lacks warmth, which can drain color from the complexion, making the skin look pale, dull, or even ashy. Like lemon yellow's sharp and reflexive undertone, pure white shares an enormously striking undertone, making this shade problematic. Instead, you can opt for soft tones like beige, ivory, and cream. These tones often share a pinch of warm undertones that help your skin look less cakey and washed out. Other warmer whites like eggshell or champagne are also good options. These colors add warmth and gently complement the skin, creating a more radiant and youthful glow. Number 7. Hot pink. Though several tones of pink can be a perfect flattering shade for women over 50, some other tones like hot pink and Barbie pink can be worse for aging skin. Hot pink is a bold, high-energy color that can overwhelm mature skin. While it's often associated with vibrancy and confidence, it can unintentionally highlight signs of aging rather than complementing them. This intense saturation of the color can create a stark contrast, leaving your complexion dull, tired, and washed out. This shade is not durable for aging women, so avoiding it in your 50s is best. But that doesn't mean you can't embrace pink. Look for more subtle, warm, and soft pink tones. Pair a blush pink or baby pink shade with another warm tone to balance the colors in lighter pinks. Or, in darker pinks, look for a warmer pink shade and pair it with warm whites. These can be excellent alternatives to styles over 50. Number 6. Dull tones. Dull, muted tones like faded beige, taupe, dusty grey, and washed out pastels can make mature skin look tired and lifeless. Our skin naturally loses some of its radiance as we age, and wearing colours that lack vibrancy can further diminish a youthful glow. Such tones can also make your skin look pale and shallow. Neutral and faded hues can blend too closely with mature skin tones, creating a washed-out effect that lacks warmth and dimension. Moreover, dull colours don't reflect much light, which can make facial lines, wrinkles, and under-eye shadows more prominent rather than brightening the complexion. Remember, the colour you choose shouldn't lack warmth, and there should also be a pinch of vibrancy. Avoid too much vibrancy in colours and shades with incredibly dull tones. Vibrant shades can make wrinkles more prominent, while dull tones drain colour from the face. Instead of enhancing natural beauty, these muted shades can make the skin appear flat, boring, or slightly ashy, especially for women with grey or silver hair. Alternatively, you can use rich jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, ruby red, and navy. Warm neutrals like camel, soft peach, or blush can also make the skin look fresh and glowy. Before we move on to our next point, if you enjoy watching this video, please support us by clicking the subscribe button. Also, keep your notifications turned on for more quality content videos related to fashion and elegance. And moving on to the next point. Number 5. Muddy and dirty washed shades. Muddy and dirty washed shades are also out of our list of colors for women over 50. These tones look dusty and dull on aging skin, making you look less attractive and above your age. Incredibly dark brown color, as aged skin can lose warmth, and dark brown may look too heavy and draining. This deep, earthy tone can serve sophistication if used as a minor in the outfit or accessories. However, going monochromatic in a dark brown tone is not recommended. Part of the reason is that dark brown lacks brightness and can make the skin appear shadowed or lifeless, particularly those with fair to medium skin tones. It is one of those deep, dark shades that draw attention to facial contours, making wrinkles, sagging, and texture more pronounced rather than softened. Unlike bright colors, these dull colors absorb the light, making the skin too tired and boring. But here are worthy alternatives you can try in the tones of brown. Instead of dark brown, consider warmer, softer shades like caramel, chestnut, cinnamon, or mocha mousse. These tones add warmth, enhance natural features, and bring a youthful radiance to the complexion. If you prefer darker colors, try deep plum or warm chocolate brown, which have a richer, more flattering effect. Number 4. Pastel tones. Though pastel tones are back in trend in 2025, they are unsuitable for all age groups and skin tones. Pastel tones are too bright and sharp to attract the eye, making the face dull and dark. Pastel colors like baby pink, powder blue, pale lavender, and soft mint green may seem delicate and feminine, but they can be unflattering for mature skin. While they work well for youthful complexions, they often fail to enhance aging skin's natural warmth and vibrancy. As we age, we seek warmer tones that complement our complexion rather than ruin it. Pastel tones don't serve this purpose, as they lack the warm undertones we seek. The lighter and sharper the tone, the duller and darker your face will appear. These tones can blend too much with the skin, making it look pale and lacking in dimension. Better alternatives can be more profound. Warmer shades like dusty rose, teal, soft coral, warm lavender, or muted mustard. These colors still provide softness, but with enough richness to enhance natural beauty and add a youthful glow. Number 3. Iridescent shades. Iridescent shades with a shimmery, reflective, and holographic finish look captivating and might make you eager to buy one. Though these shades are trendy like never before, they can be the worst choice for women over 50. Iridescent shades often highlight rather than hide aging signs. Iridescent and shimmery fabrics or makeup reflect light unevenly, making fine lines, wrinkles, and skin imperfections more noticeable rather than smoothing them out. These also create a harsh and artificial glow. While youthful skin can handle high shine colors, mature skin benefits from more soft, flattering tones. Iridescent shades can create an unnatural sheen that makes the skin look greasy or overly reflective instead of radiant. Moreover, women with grey or silver hair may find that iridescent colors create an odd contrast, making their hair appear dull or causing an unbalanced look rather than enhancing their natural beauty. These are also out of sophistication and elegance with less versatility and demand. Number 2. Metallic hues. Metallic hues share the same problem as the iridescent shades do. Metallic shades are too sharp or glowy, attract light from all sides, making the skin look dull and deformed. Though chic metallic tones can be used in accessories and clutches, using them in outfits as a manner of position or monochrome might be bad. These tones serve no purpose for aging skin and do not possess warmth to complement the wrinkled skin. We have better alternatives to enjoy a metallic finish while keeping class and elegance in your outfits. Opt for soft metallics like champagne, bronze, rose gold, or matte deep hues that enhance natural beauty without emphasizing skin texture. Number 1. Ash Gray. Last but not least, we have another unsuitable tone for aging skin, ash gray. While grey can be sophisticated in some cases, certain shades, especially ashy, dull, or washed-out greys, can make mature skin appear tired and lifeless. Ash grey lacks warmth, which can cause the complexion to appear dull, shallow, or overly cool. It doesn't add the vibrancy needed to give mature skin a healthy glow. It removes the glow and leaves the skin dull and tired. It is one of the cool-toned, faded shades that doesn't reflect light well. This can highlight skin texture, fine lines, and under-eye shadows rather than soften them. Instead of ash grey, choose warmer greys like dove grey, pewter, or grige, a chic combination of grey and beige. These tones provide a softer, more flattering effect. Here are the top 10 colors to avoid for women over 50. Switching tones with better alternatives can significantly improve one's appearance. Do you know of any better alternative? Help your mates with the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you like our content. Making this far in the video is your sign to check out 25 things high-class women never wear. Knowing these things will significantly improve your lifestyle. Till the next time, take care. We will catch you in the next one.